Okay, so by this you could tell this is gonna be a focus of it. But anyways, so here's how I think that they work. I think we can all agree. He like the ice flower is never used and it doesn't bounce, so it's clearly not like MacPat. So it's clearly not super closely related to the how Mario uses the fire flowers. Fire flower and the ice flower clearly have a difference. Since in Smash Bros, I did not set up for this bet. In Smash Bros, the fire flower. Look at this. Now, yes, this is not canon. Blah blah blah. I know that, but I can't find it here. But if you guys remember that the fire flower in Super Mario, not in Super Smash Bros. I meant. Yep. We're going to that for a second. Is fire. Is fully just a fire, shoot a fire, and that's what I think how they work. So that's something clearly there. Please don't use any. Oh, well, you see, fire flower does this, therefore ice flower must do that. They are very distant cousins, most likely, in their species, which I have no idea what the heck scientific name they could have. But yeah, their species might be distant cousins. And now into this. Do you see this? Zoom in. I can zoom in further, but forget about that. No. Zoom in. Okay, let's see. So let's see. Okay, ice shards. Glimmering ice shards. Wonder why it would be like that. Don't mind that. So here's my theory. How they work. That was Lego. That, how I think that they work is that they grab a big piece of, snow. And they transform that into ice. It's obviously, as you can tell, I am young. And trust me, my voice is way better in real life. I don't sound like a squeaker in real life. So I don't know everything, so let's see. Can snow turn into ice? Yes, let's see. Okay. Okay, basically that it when it's okay. Don't mind that. So let's see. So for you guys who are normies and not as smart as I, here's a little video. Hope I don't get copyrighted. You see these? Yeah, those are flakes. And yeah, basically what it does is that it compresses lots of snow together to form an ice ball. I.e., it's an ice ball, and since it's recently made, it's gonna be very fragile and it's gonna be cracking because its chemical compound might be too similar to snow. And I just basically disproved my finishing statement, my starting statement about how they're less closely related. Who cares? Yeah, I mean, it can still make snow, so it still makes snow in a ball shapes, and it's, it's not going to be even. Some parts going to have probably snow if it's not the exact same shape. So Mario probably has to grab snow and in the exact shape necessary, and this is in milliseconds, by the way. Has to make it and throw it for the snow to fall. I.e., it's gonna glimmer, and that's what's falling. Not all of it, and well, it's moving because it takes a bit while to make. He makes a very weak ice ball, and that's why it's cracking. Check how much time I spent. Okay, so let's think. So what's something that we might not know? how does it make it into ice, right? And for this, we're gonna have to do a lot of research, guys. And I'm not sure you guys. We're just gonna do a Google search, and see you guys in a second. So after doing that Google search, which yes was just mainly just from I know how it works, blah blah. Blah. Anyways, but yeah, basically, so let's see. Oh, did you know ice has to be cold for it to be formed? I.e., it melts. Hmm. Hmm. So yeah. Oh wow. What do you know? Where does ice flower spawn? You guessed it. Freezing in freezing areas. Not gonna lie. And let's see. I'm gonna do something in a second. If you guys remember your sixth grade class, or depending on where you guys live, I don't know my fans. You might not. You might know that atoms aren't can't be destroyed, or you can't just spawn new atoms. Let's just make sure, since I'm pretty sure. But let's see. Can you make at atoms? Let's see. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed, i.e., the fact that he just somehow makes a full block of ice is physically, scientifically impossible. So that part, I don't know. Okay, that part I don't know. The rest I can explain, but that part I don't know. Okay, so we already knew this, but magic and science are kind of like one thing in this universe. Apparently, the more you know. So yeah.